Welcome back to Creations for the Creator channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see more videos like this. Today, you're going to learn how to draw a mountain landscape. I absolutely love mountains. I love climbing and rappelling. Rappelling is where you go down off a steep mountain with ropes fastened to you. I've even gotten stuck trying to squeeze myself in and out of tight spaces. Whether it's rock climbing with ropes or just hiking through mountains, one of my favorite parts is getting to the top of the mountain and looking around. Everything down below looks tiny. People look like ants and cars look so tiny, rushing wherever they go. And I feel like, why are they in such a hurry? Being up on that mountain makes me feel like I get to stop running around, forget all the things I have to do, and just look at the amazing things God made. The Bible says that the things God made shows us a picture of who He is. When you think about it, if you only liked to paint lizards and you made all of them purple, I'd assume that you loved painting, you loved lizards, and you loved the color purple. If you made the lizards scary, I'd know that you found that interesting. If you made the lizards smiling, I know that you enjoyed cute things. Just like your art tells a story about you, God's art tells a story about Him. Looking at the mountains, we can learn He is really big and strong. Looking at the tiny things happening at the bottom of the mountain, like people running like ants, and even the things we can't see from that high of a height, that tells us God likes putting details into His art and that He cares about all things, even things that you can't see. The Bible says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the expanse proclaims the work of His hands." Throughout creation, we are able to see great and mighty God. God is glorious. Don't forget to check out our free coloring page in the description below.